I'm jumping on the sofa. Yeah, your fault. Yeah, same. Yeah. Here's something. It's almost like the front door. Maybe someone's at the door. Why is the door keep making noise? Coming. Wait, Bowser? Nah. Who's at the door? What, Bowser? Well, I'm gonna arrest Bowser. I heard he's escaped jail again. Oh, police officers here. Yeah, I'm gonna arrest Bowser now. Okay. Got you. No, where did he come from? You're going back to jail. I don't want to. Well, you're going back to jail. Okay, I've got Bowser. He's going back to jail. Okay. Oh, I don't want to go back to jail. Where you're going to? Oh, I'm gonna press the doorbell to a knock. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, don't do that. Oh, you're going to. Oh, I'll be back soon. Yeah, of course you will. Well, Bowser's gone. That wasn't the doorbell. That was Bowser pressing it. I heard the whole thing down the stairs. Oh, so no one else is at the door? No, I guess not. Yeah, it was just Bowser pressing the doorbell to annoy us. Oh, okay, lucky folk. Well, okay. Well, Bowser's gone and he's in jail again. Yeah, your fault. Yeah. Now let's relax.